Hello everyone. Today, we're making an incredibly delicious fish dish with vegetables. We'll be using hake, tender, flavorful, and super juicy. It's easy to prepare and the result is amazing. Give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss any new recipes. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the vegetables. Slice the onion into half rings, finely chop the garlic, cut the bell pepper into strips, and slice the tomatoes into rounds. Easy and simple. Now let's make the sauce. Take 100 grams of tomato paste and 100 grams of sour cream, add salt to taste, and a little water to adjust the consistency. Mix well. The sauce should be smooth and creamy. Now let's prepare the fish. Clean the hake, rinse it well, and cut it into portion-sized pieces. Time to assemble the dish. Start by layering onions and garlic at the bottom of the pan, followed by bell peppers and tomatoes. Add some green seasoning for extra flavor. Next, carefully place the fish on top and sprinkle it with fish seasoning. Now pour in our delicious sauce. Close the lid and cook on medium heat for 20-25 minutes. In the process, add a piece of butter. It will make the taste even more delicate. Well, our hake with vegetables is ready. Sprinkle with fresh herbs and you can serve with mashed potatoes, rice, or just bread. Delicious, healthy, and very simple. If you liked the recipe, please like and subscribe to the channel. And write in the comments, do you like hake dishes? Enjoy your meal and see you soon.